My name is Angelique with Ghost Trades, and it is time for your market update. Well, the long-awaited election is over and long-awaited. Mhm. Hello, Ghost Trades. My name is Angelique with Ghost Trades, and it is time for your market update. Well, the long-awaited election is over. Long awaited. Did I mention long-awaited election is over? And we are seeing some mixed emotions, not only online, meaning some very interesting social media posts, but also in the market as well. Volatility was the name of the game as we started the week, reaching record highs, not only in the S&P 500, which was slightly over about 6,000, but also in the Dow that closed above 44,000 for the first time. We also had a few other indices that were topping the charts as well. Even Bitcoin closed above 91,000 as part of crypto's positive reaction to the election results. However, of course, by the end of the week, the Fed's dovish stances, along with inflation, potential policy changes, well, just overall reality just kind of sunk into the investors' heads. And we had kind of a sell-off that took away about half of what we gained from that election day and beyond. And I've been saying for a while now that there's really nothing holding this market up. And yes, while exuberance has a way of making those beautiful green bars happen, you have to admit with a jump like that, there's bound to be some sell off and profit taking. Now, looking into next week, market sentiment is really what we want to look at overall, with, of course, keeping a keen eye on stock performance, especially in the tech and retail sectors. We need to keep an eye on our economic trajectory. And some of the earnings that we want to keep an eye on next week is NVIDIA on Wednesday, which, because of all of the AI that's come out recently, that should be a pretty big impact for them. Also, we have Lowe's, we have Walmart, we have Target next week as well. And that's going to give us some insight into consumer spending and how this retail is doing ahead of the holiday season. As for reports next week, keep an eye on the Fed speaking on Tuesday. Hopefully, it's going to give us some insights into their stance, as well as because of all the comments that Powell has recently made. Also, next week, we should get a really good snapshot of the housing markets, the initial jobless claims, as well as get an early glimpse into the manufacturing, as well as the services sectors for November. So, traders, next week is anyone's game. While we do have some exuberance, we also have to at least still our current reality and deal with that. And it's all going to be hitting at once. And with that, I will see you in our live sessions. So until then, happy trading.